there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our van door security guard suitable for Renault Trafics, Vauxhall Vivaros and Nissan NV300s from 2014. For full vehicle fitment information, please click the link in the description. In this video, we will also demonstrate the installation of our internal security guard for the locking mechanism. In this kit, you will receive an external van door shield finished in stainless steel, a closed-cell foam gasket to stop water ingress, and an internal anodized green shield to act as a double security measure against thieves. You will receive a full fitting kit comprising of a drilling template, 19mm hole saw, and 8 nylock nuts, 8 stainless steel washers, and 3 rubber grommets. If you have purchased the lock mechanism guard, you will also receive this component. The external shields can easily be colour matched to your van. We recommend them to be primed and painted by a professional body shop. We do not offer this service. To install, firstly remove the central screw from the interior handle on the door card. Then gently pull the handle off from the metal lever mechanism. Remove the door card by pressing a trim removal tool around the outside of the card. This photo shows where the studs are that hold on the door card. If your door has an internal membrane, remove carefully with a Stanley blade. At the end of installation, you would want to reinstall this membrane for sound insulation. Shift the metal catch to the left in order to release the handle cover. Remove both sections of the exterior handle. Drill out the rivet. Move the main body out of the way and disconnect the clips that fasten the wrapped cable to the door skin. Use a screwdriver or a pry tool to pop off the round black plastic handle. Use a T40 Torx to remove the 3 screws holding in the locking unit. Then move the unit out of place. Unclip the red electrical connector. Place masking tape on the area of the door where the guard will be installed. Place a small amount of grease on the back of the paper template. Place the template on the door. The grease allows the template to stick to the door and be moved around. Use a punch on the center points on the template. If the punch marks look faint, you can go over with a marker. Remove the template. Use a 3mm drill bit to create pilot holes on each punch mark. The 3 holes on the outermost edge of the door should go through 2 skins of the door, the exterior and interior skin of the door, as demonstrated here. Open up the holes to 7mm. We used a 5mm drill bit, then a 7mm drill bit. Remove the masking tape. Offer up the guard to the door. It should fit snugly in the drilled holes. Clean up any swarf by wiping down the surface of the door. Take the 19mm hole saw provided within the kit and drill into the 3 holes on the interior skin of the door. Only drill through the interior skin, do not go through the exterior skin. Use a paint pen or touch-up kit to go over all of the drilled holes. Wait for it to dry. Then go over with a good quality wax oil spray. Both of these measures protect against rust. Place the foam gasket over the outer door shield and press into the door. Press the washers onto the studs protruding from the holesaw holes. Then hand tighten the nylock nuts. Then tighten them with a 10mm deep socket and ratchet. Do not over-tighten the nuts, this can cause the studs to snap. Tighten the nuts until the door, gasket and exterior shield are flush with each other. If you cannot see the gasket or it looks squashed, you have over-tightened the nuts. Slot the inner guard over the top of the studs. On each stud, press on a stainless steel washer, then hand tighten a nylock nut over the top. Tighten the nuts with a 10mm adjustable head ratchet spanner. Again, do not over-tighten the nuts, this can cause the studs to snap. This step is only relevant if you have purchased our lock mechanism guard. Insert the guard. This is the fiddliest part of the installation. Insert the guard the way shown. Hold this in place with one hand whilst pushing the lock mechanism into the guard. Remember to refit the red electrical connector. Refit the original screws to hold it all in place. If you have not purchased the lock mechanism guard, simply push the lock mechanism into its original position and screw it back in place. Move the main body back into position and push on the metal catch lever. Hold the main body with one hand whilst inserting a rivet where it was previously installed. Reinstall the round black handle. Fit both parts of the exterior door handle. If your vehicle had an internal membrane, reinstall this with superglue, glue dots or silicone. Then install the door card by pressing the lugs back into the door. Reinstall the interior handle back onto the metal latch and screw in the central screw. This completes the repair. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen. This product is now available to purchase via the link in the description.